In this video, we're going to take a quick look at dashboards and how they work. So you've got a drop down here with all of your projects listed one by one, and at the top you have all projects. Now, if you select all projects and you create a dashboard from here with all projects selected, some of the widgets that you can add on the dashboard allow you to do multiple sites. So you could do a dashboard under all projects if, for example, you wanted to show your site visits and your uptime of the different sites and projects that you have. If you select a specific project, then when you go about creating a dashboard for that, it'll be for that specific project. So in this example, we can see that we've created a dashboard called Contacts. And in here, we're using a widget called New Active Subscribers. And this shows how many new subscribers have signed up in the last 30 days versus the previous 30 days before that, and whether it's going up or down. The monthly overview of traffic. And you see here, it shows you which integration is being used for this. So these are Google Analytics. And if I was to come over here and I'd hover here, you can see the domain and the time period. And if you click on this, you can edit the widget options. You can choose different site, you can choose different data, and save this, okay? Or if you want to remove the widget, you can remove it. And if you name it, it's going to come along here. So this would be, you can just give it a name if you want. Once again, that's optional, but you see that that's permanently fixed there. So you can name your widgets as you want them. The other thing to note is that when you create a dashboard, you can either build a dashboard from scratch, and if you're going to build it from scratch, then you can add templates. So let's go here, you can add widgets. So under settings, you'll click on add a widget, and then you can choose the sections. More sections are going to be added as we go along. Maybe by the time you're watching this, there's already more sections. This is new active subscribers. If you want to see, for example, contact widgets, let's say we want new subscribers per day, that'll then come in here and we'll be able to see our daily new subscribers that are coming into this project, okay? New contacts that come in. So that's how easy it is to add a new widget. And then if you want to edit the widget further, you can just click there and you can select a time period. So if we want this one to show over the last 30 days, and now we see it over the last 30 days. That's how you can add widgets to your dashboard. Obviously, you can delete your dashboard and you can edit its name as well. Let's say we wanted to create a new dashboard and we want to do it from a template. When you come here, you'll see a link here that you can request new dashboard types. And we're always building out dashboards. Our plan is to add quite a few more. So from this point in here, you can come and you can add a comment here with how you want the dashboard to look and function. The next thing to note is you'll see that there's a drop down over here, Analytics, Customers, Integration, Sales. Once again, there'll probably be more by the time you come. If we go to integrations, we'll be able to see, and if you hover over it, it shows you what required service needs. So in this case, as these SEO dashboards, they require the SERP.NET service to be connected. So we'll build a SEO dashboard. Let's just choose some sites. And in this one here, for example, you can select multiple ones. This is the backlinks to these pages. It doesn't matter how many I select because I think this site hasn't had any backlinks built in the last period of time. But anyway, we're going to just show you as an example. And then you can see it's here. We click on that and then it's going to load up the dashboard. So it's going to show us our uptime for today, the last 30 days, our total site visits for today and the current month, and it compares it to yesterday and the previous month. You can see our traffic over time, visits by referral, and then here would be any backlinks built this month versus last month. You can actually change all of the information on the widgets, as you know. So we could go here and we could say current year as an example. And then that's going to update. So you see last year 10, this year 0 so far. So it's going to show you all of your metrics on the dashboard. Obviously, this is just an example. Okay, so that's how you use the dashboards. And under settings, you'll be able to see there's a public URL where you can set passwords and then share those with your board members or team members or save it in your browser, etc. And I hope that this overview has allowed you to see how to start setting up dashboards for yourself.